Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. It is a question for class 11 maths, exercise 4.1, question number 2, NCRT. Chapter is mathematical induction. Question 2 is prove the following by using the principle of mathematical induction for all number belonging to natural number n. Question is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on. N cube will be n into n plus 1 by 2 over all square is there, right? So like the solution of the last question in the last video, for question number 1 the same pattern we shall follow in this question also, and question will be solved in 4 steps. First step is to find the solution Pn, writing of this equation in the form of P of n. So we shall write let the given equation is Pn, right? So Pn will be equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on. Lastly, it is n cube equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 over all square. Okay, this is our first step. In every such type of question, we'll have to give first step in this manner. Second step is if n equal to 1, this is n1, we get P1 equal to 1 cube, P1 is 1, 1 cube is here, equal to, at the place of n we are writing 1, so 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to whole square. So LHS is equal to 1 cube is equal to 1, RHS is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 over all square. We are writing this question in this way, simplifying. So 2 into 1 will be 2 divided by 2 over all square. So it will be 4 by 4 equal to 1, right? So LHS is also 1 and RHS is also 1. So we shall write LHS, since LHS is equal to RHS, so Pn is true for n is equal to 1. This is our second step. Third step is assume, in third step we assume the any number k which is an integer for p. So assume p k be true for same positive integer k. So at the place of n we shall write k now. Okay, so pk will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on. It will be plus k cube. At the place of n cube we are writing k cube equal to k into k plus 1 divided by 2 whole square, right? This we shall assume as equation 1 because this equation will be used in the fourth step. Now step 4, now let us prove that pk plus 1 is true. Now this we have assumed for pk, and for pk plus 1 is true, that we shall prove. So pk plus 1 will be equal to 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, and so on. It will be k plus 1 whole cube. At the place of n, we are writing k plus 1 cube equal to k plus 1. For k, we are writing k plus 1, and again k plus 1, and again plus 1 by 2 over all square, right? But we see that before k plus 1, it should be plus k cube. Why? Because the previous number is 1 less than the next number. 2 is 1 is less than 2 by one number, 2 is less than by 3 by one number. So k plus 1's previous number will be k3, right? And we know that from here up to k3 by equation 1, it is equal to k into k plus 1 by 2 over all square, right? So for this, up to this here, we shall write this equation. So k into k plus 1 by 2 over all square. For this we have written this much because this is equal to up to k3 plus k plus 1 cube will be equal to k plus, and this will be 1, and it will be k 112 by 2 over all square, right? Only we are simplifying it. So this we shall treat as LHS, and this we shall treat RHS. Okay, so now LHS we shall consider, and lastly we shall prove according equal to RHS. LHS is equal to, this will be k square, k plus 1 square by 2 square is equal to 4, and this will be k plus 1 whole cube. And now we shall take 4 as LCM. We shall consider it as 1. So it will be 4 here. 4 divided by 4 will be 1. 1 multiplied with this will be the same number. So k square into k plus 1 square, and 1 dividing 4 will be 4. So it will be multiplied by 4. So it will be 4 k plus 1 cube, right? Now we find that k square, k plus 1 square plus 4, and this we can write like k plus 1 and k plus 1 square. So it will be cube 1 and 2, it will be cube by 4, and this we can see that 1 plus whole square, 1 plus whole square is common in both the terms. So we shall take common k plus 1 whole square. So only k square is remaining, k square, and here plus 4k plus 1 remained, and it is 4. So it will be k plus 1 whole square as it is here, and it will be k square plus 4k plus 4 by 4, and this becomes, we are writing k plus 1 whole square and this became k square means a square, 2a square means b square, and it will be 2ab. 2 of formula, a is equal to k, b is equal to 2, so it will be finally 4k. So it will be k plus 2 whole square, and by this 4 we can write 2 square, right? So we are seeing that all squares are there. Here it is also a square, here it is also a square, so it is also a square. So we shall write this, and I shall put over all a square. So it will be k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2 over all a square is there, and this is our RHS. K plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2 over all square, this is our RHS. Hence LHS equal to RHS. This we have proved, and after doing up to this level we have to write. So P k plus 1 also true. This LHS and RHS became same, so P k plus 1 also true. Whenever P k is true, wherever pk will be there, it will be also true, because p into k plus 1 is true. Hence by principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true for all number which belongs to natural number capital N, right? This is our answer. I hope you will. Please like, share, subscribe this channel. Please help this channel, and if you have any doubt, please write in comment box. I will reply it. Thanks.